Respected sir, my name is Muhammad Mohin. Today I'm going to tell you about of an interesting topic which is about of India. There are two types, there are two topics. First one is before the 50 years, how was India? And second topic is this, what is the conditions of India right now? So now I'm speaking in the favor of this topic, what is the conditions of India right now? What's introduction?
And my name is Mohammad Faizan, and today I would like to tell you I'm in the favor of how was India before 50 years. So I would like to continue my point.
Okay.
So first of all, India was greatest country in the world, and India is very dominant and outstanding country. And if I talk about before 50 years, how was India? So India is very good on that time, and India was good on that time, and peoples are also good on that time because they respected to each other.
Okay, Mr.
This is
Faisal.
the main point of peoples on that
Okay.
time.
You said India was the greatest country. No. At a present time, India is known as the greatest country because India comes on the fifth number on the behalf of GDP. In the previous time, if I talk about before a 50 years, the India was known as a poor country and in the third party.
So listen to me. If I talk about anyone who achieve more money in their life, but they don't have manners to speak to each other, so this is not
Okay.
the
No,
matter
my
of
dear friend, at a
dear
first
friend.
time, if I talk about in the behalf of education, in the previous education, there was not a living value. There was not a etiquettes. But
How
at a
can you say
present time,
that
in the
there
each
was
and
no?
every school,
First,
listen
listen
to
to
me
me.
firstly. At a
How
present
can
time,
you
each
say
and every
that
school
education is not
who
was not
provide a
present on
last
that time?
who provide a one period in the behalf of the what is discipline, how to talk with other person, or how to convince and how to this kind of thing living value. At a
First, listen to
present
me.
time, though, how can you say that
Listen to
there
me.
was not a
Have you
etiquettes?
completed?
Of course.
If you are talking about education, so do you know about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar?
Okay,
And who
Dr.
wrote
Bhim
the
Rao Ambedkar, who
who
wrote a
wrote the
constitution in
first
the
listen to me, who wrote the Constitution of
Dr.
India,
Bhim Rao
and
Ambedkar and other
we
members.
all are following on the we are following
Okay, there was
that
a team. Okay,
Constitution.
listen to me. There was a team who wrote a constitutions, and the main member name was Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. In that time, there was untouchability. There was no equality. There was no
How can
fraternity.
you
But
say
at a
no?
present
How
time,
can you
who are
say that, my
following?
brother?
Okay, for the example, if you
In
write
these
a one,
days,
listen to me,
first listen
please.
to me. In these
If you
days,
write a
there
one
is
book,
also discrimination between religions and people.
how?
How? If you are, you can see everywhere, my
Pre-
brother.
at a present time, there
At a
is no
present time, I'm
discrimination between the
and rise the love jihad on that on
what?
that on
Repeat,
that
repeat
matter.
again. I'm not understand. What
If
are
a
you saying?
non-Muslim girl accept Islam, so why government rise question on that?
My dear friend, if a one
Love
girl
jihad. Do
listen,
you know about love jihad?
I don't know. Please tell me
When
what.
Muslim boy and non-Muslim girl when they will marry, so on this behalf government rise the question
Which kind
on
of question? Tell me.
love jihad.
Love job.
And you are
Okay.
talking
Though
about,
it
first
is
listen
very
to me,
bad thing if a
let me
one girl who
complete.
listen to me,
First
of a
listen to
one
me,
girl
let me
who belong.
complete my point.
Okay,
Let me
complete your
complete
point.
my
Okay,
point.
complete
You
your
are
point.
talking about every person
Has a
can
liberty,
has liberty.
of course.
And people can follow another
Do
religion,
you know
and you are
about
talking about
secularism?
why
Okay. Do
government
you
rise
know
the
about
question
of
on that behalf.
secularism? What is the meaning of secularism? Each and every human being has a right to follow any religions.
Any religion,
Yeah,
so
this is the
why
meaning of
government
the
rise question
secularism, which is written in our
that matter, my
constitution,
brother?
which is written by the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Secularism. This is the
Okay.
meaning of the word of the secularism,
Okay, I'm
Mr.
talking.
Faizan.
I know what is the meaning of a constitution in this behalf. So why government in these days government don't follow that constitution,
At a
and
present time,
why
my
government
dear
rise
friend,
question, my brother?
India
This
are
is the main
India
point.
India is following the constitution on the
How?
behalf of following the constitution. We come on the fifth number on the behalf of GDP and others.
GDP
In 2050,
in
inshallah, in
2050.
2050,
Hmm.
inshallah, India will become a third year second number on the behalf of
You
GDP. Do
are
you know
talking about
in
only
count in the
two.
Japan?
If you have a mind, so you can
What?
tell me only in one in
What?
India achieve one number of the country.
Of
If
course.
you don't like India will become one
But only
country, you
in
are talking about two or
1947,
three.
in 1947 there was nothing in India,
How
but
can
at
you
a
say
present
that?
time,
How
inshallah,
can you say
we
that?
have we
How
have
can you
many
say
things. Mr.
that? First,
Faizan,
listen
you
to me. How
must know
can you
about
say
of this
that
thing
there is
firstly.
no?
We must know about of thing.